Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the miracle of banana and toothpaste like Colgate. Any other white toothpaste, it mustn't be Colgate, would do on your skin, because Colgate is actually very good for reduction of upcoming pimples, and banana is so excellent in glowing and moisturizing your skin. Now mixing those two ingredients together would be bomb on your skin. Well, it's not going to explode your skin, but rather it's going to calm and polish up your skin. So let's dive into this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and let's go. Now, banana controls the oil on the skin. If you got an oily, greasy skin, you can actually use this remedy that I'm going to be showing you. Banana is an anti-aging remedy. It treats acne, it lightens up dark spots, and it also helps to remove wrinkles. It will hydrate and moisturize dry skin, making it soft and supple. And then we're going to be needing Colgate toothpaste. Now using this would help to remove pimples, dark spots, and it will also help to leave your skin looking soft. The minty flavor in toothpaste will help to prevent acne from your skin. And then you are going to be making use of almond oil. Almond oil contains vitamin C, vitamin E. It protects the skin from UV rays radiation damage. It helps your skin look smooth, soft, and free of lines. The fatty acid help your skin retain moisture and can heal chapped and irritated skin. Alright guys, so to do that, we're going to be needing to use the banana. And you have to use a very ripe banana, just like this particular one. Now the banana peel is also very important, so you would have to scrape out the banana peel. So I'll have to be putting the banana peel in the blender. And then cutting the banana in tiny pieces. Then I would have to be putting it into the blender. So now we would have to blend it. Alright, so this is blended, and now I would have to turn this into the bowl. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, now I would have to be putting in 1 teaspoon. Give me this. 1 teaspoon of almond oil. I'm going to be squeezing in the Colgate. Now to make sure that the Colgate mixes very well with the banana, I'll have to be using my manual mixer. Alright guys, so this is it, and It also smells good. Now, if you don't have almond oil, you can actually use olive oil or any tea tree oil you have. Okay, so you grab this and then it is super duper smooth and it spreads so well on my skin. You have to spread this generously. Okay, now the minty flavor in the paste is going to help it to remove any white heads and blackheads. Your pores is going to be very clean. Alright, so after spreading this, then you be rest assured that when you wash this off, your skin is going to be looking really renewed. Yeah. Okay, it's on my lashes. Your skin is gonna be like, you're gonna feel that minty sensation. It's really good. It's really okay. It's friendly enough for your skin. Okay, but this treatment is not a treatment you have to use every day. You can use it 2 times in a week, basically, and it's just going to open up your pores, like not widen your pores. It's going to remove all of those white heads and black heads, and your pores is going to get cleaner. Okay, and you don't necessarily need to scrub it, just leave it on, and then after 3 to 5 minutes then you can actually go wash it off. Okay, and you have to wash it off with cool water, very cool water. Then you're going to be feeling how this is just going to be so nice. Okay, it's a treatment you use 2 times in a week and you're going to see a huge result. So the minty flavor in the toothpaste makes it really calming, makes it really cooling. When you wash it off, it's so refreshing. Like, go try this out and don't keep it too long on your skin though. If you have a sensitive skin, just like I told you in the video, just do that. Alright, so if you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you. Bye guys.